Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a truss rod. Understanding your guitar's neck relief is crucial for optimal playability and tone. The truss rod is a metal rod running inside the neck, allowing you to fine-tune its curvature. Remember, patience is key. Always make small, incremental changes. Before you begin, make sure your guitar is tuned to its standard pitch. This ensures accurate readings and adjustments. To check your neck relief, fret the low E string at the first fret with one hand. Then, with your other hand, fret the same string where the neck joins the body, typically around the 17th fret. Now, look closely at the gap between the bottom of the string and the top of the 8th fret wire. This small space indicates your current neck relief. A business card can often serve as a rough guide for this measurement. Once you've assessed your neck relief, it's time to make an adjustment. If your neck has too much forward bow, turn the truss rod clockwise to tighten it, which will flatten the neck. If your neck is too flat or has a back bow, turn the truss rod counterclockwise to loosen it, adding more forward relief. Always use the correct tool and make very small, quarter-turn adjustments at a time. After making any truss rod adjustment, it's vital to retune your guitar to standard pitch immediately. The change in string tension will affect the neck's curvature. Give the neck a few minutes, perhaps 5 to 10, to settle into its new position before checking the relief. If further adjustments are needed, repeat the process with small turns. Remember, patience ensures a perfectly set up and playable instrument.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.